Whatever, everyone, it's your boy Enigma, aka Pano, as the sign says, with another classic toy review. I believe you might be familiar with this one if you're a Lego fan. It is Series 4 of this Lego brand, and it's called Mixels. And it's my favorite of all the Series 4 Mixels, and the tribe is called the glowkies. And this one is none other than boogly. See, that's him up there in the corner, and that's him over there in the middle. Now let's see what else we got. Boogly is obviously a creepy guy. Well, I mean, he's like a lovable idiot on the Mixels shorts, but like he looks like a creepy little bug almost. Let's see what the back looks like. The back shows us the back shows us the Infinite's cousin, the Orbitons, and the other glowkies. The one with the fangs is Vampost, and the one with the giant eye is Glowbird. The glowkies combine to the glowkies max. Creepy, right? Okay. Now let's unbox and not unbox. Let's open this up and see what we got. Now, I do not have speed editing software to make this build go faster. I can pause it if you want. But I'm just going to do it so we can talk. It's sometimes good to talk when you get this stuff. Ta-da. Now, hopefully my camera does not give out on me. Otherwise, I will have lost all footage. Luckily, according to this, it Glowky's eyes. I mean, Boogly's eyes glowed in the dark. Let's hope it works. Here we go. Packaging. Now, while I build this, I will just try to entertain you guys now. Okay. A little lesson on those. Legos are my favorite thing to build with. Cause like I like free building with Legos, but like I prefer to use instructions. Cause just like Emma said in the Lego Movie 1, instructions help. Cause like you can have your free imagination, but like with instructions you can learn how to build almost anything. And like with instructions, it has teamwork also. So with instructions, you can build anything. A skyscraper, skyscraper, basically anything. Skyscraper, a boat, a new Titanic. You'd be surprised what you can build when you have instructions. Just like how when you follow the rules of things, you actually get a better idea of how to do something. So yeah, listen to me here. Being instructions may limit free creation, but they also help build teams. That's think about it. If literally all people that were on a team basically did whatever they wanted to do, no one would ever get to do anything. Cause there'd be nothing to do ever. If you think about it, I'm kind of right. Cause if I just was on my own terms, and things were like that, it'd be very difficult to get my job done. Cause I wouldn't know what to do. There has to be instructions also. These kind of help us learn what to do. Cause you'd be surprised what instructions actually serve a purpose for. Let's see where the piece. Yeah. But instructions are pretty fun. I mean, they limit creativity, but they help us actually accomplish our goals. And if someone told you how to, say you want to break a world record, but without instructions, you never know how to break the world record. Yeah. So if you think about it, instructions are a major part of life. So without instructions, as I said, you wouldn't know how to do anything. Yeah, I swear. Instructions can be so difficult sometimes, but they're still worth it in the end. Sorry if I'm not showing much of Boogly being assembled. It's hard to see on my camera while I'm building. I need better camera equipment, but what am I gonna do? Okay, notice that when I get a job, I'm definitely saving up for better camera equipment. Yeah. Definitely good investment money to get better camera equipment. Okay, what's next? Yeah, I just gotta put this on here. Also, I hope you checked out my shopping haul video. It was, I don't know what else to call it, because I just went shopping and I got a major, like, I bought a lot of stuff. Mainly this Boba Fett plushie, a mini card binder, and also a, background. So hopefully check that out. Yeah. So, let's see what we got so far. Boogly's coming along right. This should only take just a couple more minutes. So, question. Yeah, leave a comment down below if you feel like answering this. I want you to who is your favorite mixel from Series 4? Because I'm just curious, who is your favorite from Series 4? Because mine is definitely boogly from Series 4. So yeah, let me know down below who your favorite mixel is from Series 4. And luckily we are about to get to the step of the glowing eyes. Well, I believe also, according to what my mom told me, that glowing pieces tend to require sun charge. Like they had to be exposed to light for a bit to, actually be able to glow. Yeah. I honestly never was really. I like glowing pieces, but they're so hard to actually manage. Cause it takes forever to make them glow. Cause they require light and stuff, so the glow in the dark part can charge. I'll try to see if I can at least get the glow in this today. I don't know if I ever have time again. I will try to make a little video or like a little demonstration of it actually glowing. Okay, now we just put his burglar cap hat on. Let's see. Sorry, just trying to get this lined up good. There, perfect. Next we need the spooky spider legs. As I call them. See, that's how I'm gonna piece up. Because with instructions, if you mess up, you know how to fix it. I mean, like, if I didn't have these instructions, I would never get the Lego to actually be the way it's supposed to be. I mean, like I get in free build, you kind of don't need instructions, but instructions help, especially if you are making something making an actual thing that needs to be built. So, yeah. Let's see. Oh. Good thing my back in there. Where do you think it's going? There we go. Look at his head. Now let's see what the next step is. Okay, we attach this to there. There we go. Boogly is almost complete. Next, we just make one. No, not one. We make two of these. There we go. Next up, we make these pieces here. We'll build them together. Now we just Yeah. There we go. And voila! We have boogly. Now let's see if the Hebrew does go or not. Okay, see it? Oh, well, the jar, the little jar thing doesn't work. Probably because I haven't charged it yet. Hey, well, overall, boogly is now assembled. And let's see what extra pieces we're left with. Just these two, and three. And that concludes the build for boogly. Hey, well, that's all for today. And remember, guys, keep your imaginations active, your toys play with. And remember, hookers on drugs. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. And I'll see y'all later. And sorry this video took 11 minutes, guys. You'd be surprised like how hard it is to make a video with limited editing software and stuff. So see y'all later. Bye.